Hey guys, how are ya? I'm back and ready to do a little pregnancy album. Get my thank you cards out of the way. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen those already. Anyway, this is of the test. The very lightly pink line that made us squeal. This is all Citrus Twist. Citrus Twist everything. So anyway, I wanted to use This is not a dream. I need to cut this down though, so that it fits a little bit better. Here we go. Okay. Now, this is a whole piece of paper, 6x8. I just got out of the shower, so I may be breathing hard. I'm sorry. things are tough now. Almost 7.5 months pregnant, so bear with me if you can. See here. Oh, I hope it fits. Oopsie. And then I wanted to put yes for obvious reasons, because we were so super excited. But let me think about where I want to put that. So one of these says lunch, because I came home for lunch and took the test. So I do want to explain that in my thingamabobbers here. So let's see. See how we want to do this. I hadn't pre-planned any of this, so we'll see how we go, as Adele says. This one says dust off your courage. I'll tell you one thing. I have some of the worst luck when it comes to chipboard pieces, and they're supposed to be adhesive, but it just never seems to work out that way for me. Okay, so I have these windmills, and the next page is going to be three sections of 4x6 and 2 3x4s, and I'm going to incorporate these to get them used up, basically. I have at this point already told you I've canceled my subscription to Citrus Twist for no other reason than wanting to catch my bearings on my financial situation before my daughter gets here. So you will see a lot of old stuff, I should say. These three little gems are bothering me because I have 3 out, which means I have a card that does not have them on it yet. And now I'm like worried about that. Anyway, so I do want to journal on these, but I want to put them together first. And these are all the cut aparts, which you get with every Citrus Twist Life kit, life crafted kit. Okay, so now I'll pause you for the journaling. No need to bore you with that silliness. Okay, I put the lunch sticker there. I don't know if that looks right or not, but... And this one says new feels. So, I'm going to put yes down here. Might look like I'm having 2 titles. Maybe I'll put it up here. I don't want to put it over here because I feel like I already have a triangle going on. I think I'm going to pop it down here. I was half tempted to not do a video this week, but my life group got canceled. I didn't feel like doing one yesterday. Just got back from Hobby Lobby because my daughter's making my baby showers this weekend. And my daughter's making us some shirts. And I halfway laid down, did not get back up, but then I thought, you know what? No. You deserve this. After the craziness I've been dealing with at work, I deserve it, guys. Anyway, let's see. I want to put a few of these down just to incorporate them to the next page. Could put a pink one over there. Doesn't blend too much. I'm not sure how much it blends on the thing there. I sure hope you guys can see this because I did not think about zooming you in. And it's too late at this point. Okay, that'll be enough for my... That's the ink I used for my invitations. Not invitations, my thank you letters, notes that'll go out later. What do we need? We need to close our glue before it comes out. Alright, do we want, I think we need some white Nouveaus. I don't think I'm going to incorporate any gold into these layouts. I don't know why my page is plumped up there, but it is. Okay. I think I'm done. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And you know what I always say, don't forget to get your crafty time in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!